What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play quick match in NBA 2K26. Here's what you need to do. From the main menu, go over to play now and select quick play. Once you are there, you can choose your side by moving left or right on your controller. You can switch between different teams categories like current teams, classic teams or all-time teams by using the left and right bumpers on Xbox or L1 and R1 on PlayStation. To choose a team from a specific era, use the left and right triggers on Xbox or L2 and R2 on PlayStation. If you wanna pick a random team, just press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation. You can also press the left stick to select a roster. Once everything's set up, just press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to start the game. That's all you need for a quick match, and if you'd rather play online, there's also a play now online option that lets you go up against other players. And if you wanna play a quick match with your friend, select quick play, then press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to invite them. That's it. Enjoy your game. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.